Hey, Dana, and welcome to my vlog. And I spy a stag, and this is a 45th anniversary blue convertible. Bullet rims. GT front end. Like the black convertible. 6-speed. She is a GT. I'm going around the license plate. I hate having to edit that thing out. It is beautiful. What year was this actually? This is an 09. Beautiful. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next I Spy a Stang. Now, I know the owner, and he has got some awesome exhaust on this thing, and I'm not sure what they did, but it definitely sounds good. Oh.